Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You will start by validating prerequisites and creating the simplest runnable script. Check that Cron is installed and the service is active. This ensures jobs actually execute. Next, create a small executable script with a correct shebang and absolute paths, and test it manually so you know it works. Once done, choose the schedule using the 5 cron fields, because specifying timing correctly avoids missed runs. Make sure to note the user context you will use for the job. You will edit the cron tab and install the job into the scheduler. This is the core execution step. Open cron tab E under the correct user, then add a line with the 5 timing fields followed by the full command path and any arguments. Redirect stdout and stdir to a log file to capture output, because logs make debugging possible. Once done, save and close. Cron will load the new entry. Make sure to test with a short interval to verify execution and permissions. You will finalize setup and prepare for common failures so the job remains reliable. Confirm environment variables or explicitly source profiles, since Cron runs a minimal environment and missing variables cause failures. Verify file permissions and ownership, because Cron runs commands as a specific user. Once done, monitor logs, check syslog or journoctl and your redirected log files to see errors. If it still fails, check SE Linux or AppArmor denials. Make sure to adjust contexts or policies so Cron can execute the script.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.